Hello everyone. In this lecture, you will learn about dangers of asbestos. So what is asbestos? It's a natural mineral. Asbestos was used in many everyday items. People used asbestos in floor tiles, roof sheets, wall insulation. Why was it used so much? Because asbestos is strong. It does not catch fire easily and lasts for many years. That's why builders, factories, and manufacturers loved it. But asbestos is dangerous. The real danger happens when asbestos is broken or damaged. It breaks into tiny fibers that float in the air. When we breathe in these tiny fibers, they go deep into our lungs. Our bodies can't remove these fibers. They stay in the lungs for many years. One big problem is asbestosis. This is a disease where the lungs become stiff and scarred. It makes it hard to breathe and causes chest pain. People with asbestosis often feel tired and short of breath. Another danger is lung cancer. Breathing in asbestos increases the chance of getting lung cancer. The risk is even higher if the person also smokes. It may take 15 to 35 years after exposure for cancer to appear. A very serious disease caused by asbestos is called mesothelioma. This is a rare cancer that affects the lining of the lungs or stomach. It is almost always caused by asbestos. Sadly, mesothelioma is hard to treat and often deadly. Even a small amount of asbestos can be harmful. People who worked in construction and old factories are at high risk. Their families are also at risk because asbestos dust can be carried home on clothes. In many countries, asbestos is now banned. New buildings do not use asbestos anymore. But old buildings may still contain it. That's why it's important to be careful during repairs or demolition. If you find materials that may contain asbestos, do not touch them. Call trained professionals to handle it safely. Never try to remove asbestos by yourself. It can be more dangerous than it looks. To stay safe, wear protective gear. When dealing with old insulation or tiles, always work in well-ventilated areas. And most importantly, know the signs of asbestos exposure. If you have trouble breathing or chest pain, see a doctor. Let's spread awareness about the danger of asbestos. By learning and sharing this knowledge, we can protect ourselves and others. Stay safe, and thank you for watching.